Hello, it's John Piper with a weekend video, and it's Saturday the 18th of January. Hello, this is John Piper with a weekend video on Saturday 18th of January. Still a bit of a cold at the moment, voice isn't quite right. I'm just going to show you this brochure. A friend of mine is involved in development in Thailand, the eco resort in Bang Sarai. Well, I'm trying to record in here. Can you be quiet, please? Can you please be quiet? Hello, this is John Piper with a weekend video, and it's Saturday the 18th of January. Before I start on the markets, I just want to make a few words about the development a friend of mine is involved with in Bang Sarai in Thailand. I have sent this brochure out to some of you this morning, not all of you probably, but it looks like a very interesting development if you want somewhere that's nice and warm to spend some time as we freeze ourselves over here in the UK. Yeah, I'll just show you a few aspects of the brochure because if you can work out how to use it. I can't, of course. There we go. Right, so that's the overall development or image of it as it will look eventually. Right by the sea, as you can see. Nice number of trees around the place. It's well located. Pattaya is 20 minutes away by plane. Bangkok 90 minutes, and the airport is 20 minutes away. Once you get to the airport, that's the flight time, I think. There's all sorts of health food, yoga lessons, concierge, normal kind of things that are available already. That is the open air restaurant. So it's a sea, just on the beach really. There are the apartments, and all the details is in the email I sent out this morning. Also the brochure, in fact. I thought I think this is. I'm thinking of buying one myself. In fact, it does look like the kind of place I'd like to really retire to. I do like warmer climates, and this is everything one could possibly want really. Let's go through the whole lot. Anyway, any questions on the brochure, please let me know, and I'll get on with a picture of. Yeah, but that's the beach, so it's a nice location for the place, and there's a golf course nearby, country club, yacht club. Pretty much everything, even a few dinosaurs. Anyway, let me get on to the report. All right, Bitcoin. We have what I thought was a fifth wave here above 100,000. Quite an impulsive sell-off here. That could be a 1, I suppose. A, B, C, 2. But now it's made another spike here, making this possibly an A, B, C itself. And moving up to test the previous high. So the question is rather open right now, and if we obviously see new highs, then that would mean that we might extend upwards, and that there's a further leg up to come. Let's go down to a slightly longer term chart to see what the perspective is before that. Well, looking at the whole move, i.e. the move up from the low at 52,000 odd, that's a clear 5. I guess it's possible this actually, what I've labelled as 3 and 4, could actually be part of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a possibility. This could be a 4 to there, in fact. I think that's a better count at this point. This does look quite like to go higher, I think. And it may not do, in which case obviously we'll come down, and the sell-off will have started at this point here as marked. That does count quite well as I marked it, really. I think I'll leave it a bit longer to see what happens, but if this continues, then we have an A, a B, and a C, or a 1, and a rather messy 2, and possibly this could be a major peak up here above 100,000. It's a major level. Can suggest we are in for a bigger fall than just a correction at this point. It could even retest the low down here, in fact, possibly. But at the moment, it's looking fairly positive. There's a decent spike there, another decent spike here. It's retesting the high, above 100,000 again. So I'm between right now. I think we've got a clear 5 here. I mean, it could be a. I think that's okay. Yeah, it all depends on whether you make a new high, really. If it makes a new high, then I need to reconsider the count, really. This could be the fifth wave here rather than being fifth here. So it's could be all part of the fourth of there. This could be a fourth wave and a fifth wave. And if we do go higher, it may just be a fourth break and take us back down again, I think. So a few possibilities. I would have thought it does need some kind of bigger correction right now. It has galloped from 50-odd thousand, 52,000 to 107,000, doubled in just about less than 6 months. So that's quite a lot for the market to digest in that time frame. So I would say that a bigger correction is close, whether we see a new high first or not. Let's go on to onto Ethereum. Rather different counter. I mean, the peak on Bitcoin, I thought it was about the same place, but obviously a much more pronounced correction here. Rather strange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with a very small fourth wave, which should be down here, trade to there, and a very large two wave, so rather bizarre looking chart pattern, in fact. I can't see any other way to count it. A more pronounced ABC, A, B. I mean, it could be, seeing that spike there, it could actually already be over, I think. Not definitely, there's quite a decent rally off that level. It's a messy chart, isn't it? It's really quite so messy before, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, this could be the rally resuming, I think. Not really a very clear 5 there. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A very short third wave. Yeah, again, not hugely clear, but there was a clear ABC already in place at this point on that chart, so that's one factor to bear in mind. But it does need a bit of cleaning up, as it were, a bit of resolution here and there. Right, goes in this sharp sell-off here, which looks like a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. What way to look at it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 5 to there probably. Anyway, so it looks impulsive, suggesting this is a more important move that's come in. We don't have the ABC up to there. We just have something out high here, so maybe the ABC is actually A, B, C. I'm going to change that code to there. Alright, silver is more determinedly bearish than gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's pretty clear. Fairly feeble rally, which is it's probably part of the correction. There could be an A, B, C, showing weakness by making new lows, whereas gold looks relatively stronger than silver. I'll put that count in, I think it's probably count at this point. Okay, so this comes to become a. We've got 5 waves down there, which is obviously negative. Then the regular A, B, C. Possibly the downturn resuming, because the count's so irregular, as it were. It's hard to be too sure exactly what's going on here. Obviously, the correction made new lows, then bounced up again. And there are alternative counts, so it's not that easy. And gold is not really confirming what silver is doing either, which makes it slightly more complex also. Well, I guess my marking of this wave has rather almost exactly predicted what's happened, I suppose, as we've now seen almost exactly on the peak of that wave, 85.05, exactly the current level. I think that's probably the first time that's ever happened, but it's bound to happen occasionally. Right, that was the 4, which this suggests it was the 4. I don't remember the highs anyway, so definitely the 5th wave. Again, quite a strange pattern really, because I mean, 1, 2, and 3 are all part of a piece really. 4 is okay, doesn't change anything. But this pattern here is a bit. I mean, these are nice clear waves. The corrections are quite small. This is really a jagged affair with a decent move up, big move down, up again, down again to the same level, and now we're broken out. It does count as a 5th wave, but again, I think our probably alternative counter is just hard to think what they might actually be, because it's very, very long sort of correction that we're seeing in effect, and now making new highs. It's almost like we've seen the first wave here, and that's a complete wave. This is a two-way, and now we're seeing a third wave come in, but there's no sign of a 5 here. So we've got the 1, 2, but there's no real sign of a 3, 4, 5 within this third wave. But this looks pretty positive. It's a nice breakout. Decent spikes down here. It just counts as a fifth wave, but it could sort of take us to 9,000 possibly, or at least maybe 8,800 thereabouts. So I is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 coming in. So looking pretty good on FTSE at the moment. Well, a very large one wave here. Looking at 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Another strange count. I think just to alternate, as it were, and I'm playing a bit in the third wave at the moment, because this one wave is large. Third wave is generally the biggest, never the shortest. So I'm going to count that as a third wave in progress at the moment, and see how that develops, as it were. But looking pretty good at the moment on the DAX, I would say. Right, the Dow has this 15-month-old rally, which I kind of give a 3. I thought the 4 may have a bit further to go, really, because quite a small fourth wave to there, but an A, B, C to here would make more sense, I think. And then a 5, but well, sort of all doing the same kind of things in slightly different ways, if the forex markets I look at. But I thought probably more downside is likely. This is not too impressive at the moment. This could be an ABC, rather strange form in a sense. ABC is normally the ABC is roughly equivalent. This is yet to show itself as being impassive, really, having been around too short a time in effect. So I'll go with that counter at the moment. It's not an easy one at that point. Right, Nasdaq, I made this a 3 as well, sort of in line with the Dow. Again, a very small correction at this point. I think it's on the Nasdaq, this looks more like the third wave is still in progress. In the sense, you've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I think wave 3 is still with us on the Nasdaq. It's a bit further to go, actually. That seems to make more sense, I think. Anyway, okay, so still in positive territory on these markets, but I think getting closer to, well, obviously close to the end of the day is good past, yeah, looks like either in the fifth or the fourth wave. So the peaks that we're expecting shouldn't be too far away now, I don't think. Okay, that's all for today. If anything useful, back to the report on Tuesday. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.